Hey, what's up everybody? I am doing a really quick video. I haven't really thought all the way through, but I know what I'm going to do. Just what am I going to talk about? What I kind of want to get down to is there's been something I've been putting back for a little while, and it's an extremely quick project. It would take me probably 10-15 minutes to do, plus recording time I guess for this, but really I just want you to ask yourself, like, what's a small project that you've just been like kind of pushing back just because you don't want to get up off your couch or stop watching Netflix or whatever. It's real easy. Just take the second to do it. Look how quickly this is. Check it out. Demo in the bathroom.
Why?
So I had some leftover pressure treated wood here, a 2x4, a really good length and size. And what I'm gonna try to do is I'm just extending the piece on the couch. Got my measurements here, 82 1/4 and a couple of 22-inch arm ones if I have enough for it. One thing I'm a little worried about here is how warped this board seems to be. It's been sitting around maybe a little too long. Oh yeah, look at that bend. Alright, let's go to the backyard. So as you can see right now, these cushions kind of hang over just a little bit. This actually isn't pushed back all the way, but hangs over. So what I'm just gonna do is attach this to the front of this board all the way across, so it'll be a little bit extra room for your legs there. I may not even want to use this couch anymore. Look at that sucker. I'm just getting these screws preset. There's no overhang. Adds another 1.5 to 2 inches with the gap. Feels great. Now you may not have a project that's that easy to do, but still, I'm sure you have something. Just whatever's been on your mind, just go ahead and knock it out. It's kind of a cold Saturday, but I was still able to do this in 10 to 15 minutes. Easy. I didn't get to quite everything I wanted because I didn't have enough of the pressure treated wood to make the extend the armrest a little bit. But still, I'm pretty happy about what I did. And I was just in my gym clothes, If you ended up following through with the project after watching this video, go ahead and post it down here in the comments. Inspire me, inspire the rest of the community here. Get something going.